Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be showing you how to bead your name on bracelets. So let's get started. If you want to know how to bead your name on a bracelet, you have to know how to bead each individual letter. So in this case, we have the name Kenya. So we have to know how to bead the letter K, E, N, Y, and A. And if you don't know how to bead any letter, be sure to check out the alphabet series that I've been posting. Once you know how to bead each letter, you have to know how to space them out. So just leave a little spacing, just like I have done here, and it is going to look beautiful and readable.